How to open a saving account with Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo has a few saving account types: Way to Save Savings and Platinum Savings. Both accounts require a minimum opening deposit of $25. To open a saving account with Wells Fargo, online or in person, you will need these things: be at least 18 years old, have a valid form of identification, example, US driver's license, state ID, passport, or other acceptable government-issued IDs. Have a social security number or individual taxpayer identification number. Provide a US residential address. Also provide a mobile phone number. Then you will need a minimum deposit of $25 to open. If you are under 18, then you will need to visit a branch in person. Now go to the Wells Fargo website. Then choose the type of saving account you want, Way to Save or Platinum. Then click on Open Now and fill out your personal information such as name, SSN or ITIN, address, phone number, etc. Agree the terms and deposit your money. Once processed, your saving account will be active. You can then log in and manage funds online or through your mobile. That's all for today. Thank you.